Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make egg chop recipe. It's a street food. Very simple to make but very delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's start cooking. Add a tablespoon of oil. Do not add too much, just to saute the onion. If you add too much, patties will not come together and it's going to break. Add one chopped onion. Saute this for a while. We don't want this onion to be brown. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped mint leaves, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 4 tablespoons of coriander leaves. Saute this for a while. Let's add the dry ingredients. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, also called jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and some salt. Saute them for about 2 minutes on medium heat. Now into the bowl, transfer the onion masala. This is 2 potatoes, boiled and mashed. This will give a nice binding to the patties. This is 3 boiled eggs. Chop and add them. Give all this a nice mix. Potatoes and eggs should come together, so give it a nice mix. If you feel that your potatoes are soft, no worries, just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. That will help even better. In this stage, check for some salt. Give all this a quick mix. Start making patties. This should be bigger than the bun. We have to coat this with some flour. I have taken half cup of plain flour, also called maida, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and little salt. Mix well. Keep it. Whisk 2 eggs. I am using the white portion. Whisk it well till it's frothy. First, let's coat the patties in the seasoned flour. Coat it well. Dab out the excess flour. Now into the egg wash. Coat both the sides. Let's fry the patties one by one. Heat oil for frying. Keep them on medium heat. Let it fry for about a minute. Do not turn it immediately. After a minute, I am turning it on the other side. Patty is done, nice and crisp. Remove from the oil. Transfer to a plate. Slightly toast the bun. Add some cheese spread on it. Even you can use butter or mayonnaise. Add the egg chops. Add some sliced tomatoes and cucumber. Do try this recipe. Share your feedback about the recipe in the comments below. You can have it like that or you can serve with bun. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.